Leaders, it's always hard to give constructive feedback to our people, especially when they're going to perceive us as villains. So how do you engage them effectively and how do you win their side? Before I answer this question, I'd like to invite you to attend our monthly live workshops on leadership in time of the hybrid era. You can log on to our website, 𝗘𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗏𝗘.com, to get your tickets. So here's my quick tip. Before you give your constructive feedback, say it with a genuine reason for care. Say something like, Lisa, I'm sharing this with you because it happened to me in the past and I don't want the same thing to happen to you because I care for you. Or say something like, Miguel, I see so much potential in you and I expect that you're going to get promoted in a few months or years, so I want you to be in your best shape. That's why I want you to improve on X, Y, and Z. And this way, your people will see that you're saying this not because you want to be the antagonist in their life, but because you want them to be in their best shape. Good luck.